Are you struggling with a small kitchen that feels cramped and cluttered? Well, think again, because a small kitchen can still have big style. In today's video, we'll show you how to transform your compact kitchen into a space that's functional, stylish, and full of personality, using smart design and space-saving ideas. Let's get started. 1. Light colors, bright spaces. When it comes to small kitchens, light is your best friend. Opt for soft tones like white, cream, or pastel shades to make your space look open and airy. Add glossy finishes, glass backsplashes, and metallic handles to reflect light and create depth. If you want warmth, mix these with natural wooden textures, a perfect balance between cozy and modern. Pro tip: use under-cabinet LED strips to highlight your counters. They make your kitchen look bigger instantly. 2. Go vertical with storage. In small spaces, every inch counts, especially on your walls. Install tall cabinets, open shelves, and hanging racks to use the full height of your kitchen. This not only frees up counter space but also draws the eyes upward, making your kitchen feel taller and more spacious. Try this. Use magnetic knife strips, pegboards, or hanging baskets to keep essentials within reach without cluttering your workspace. 3. Compact layouts, smart design. The layout of your kitchen can make or break the space. The L-shaped or one-wall kitchen layout is perfect for small homes. It keeps things organized and easy to move around. Pair this with compact appliances like built-in microwaves, multifunction ovens, or mini dishwashers that save precious space. Bonus tip: add a small foldable breakfast bar or island. It doubles as prep space and dining area. 4. Open shelving and glass cabinets. If your kitchen feels boxed in, swap a few solid cabinets for open shelves or glass front doors. They keep the look open and visually light while letting you show off beautiful dishes or decor. Stick to coordinated jars and bowls for a clean, elegant touch. 5. Hidden storage magic. Want a clutter-free look? Hide it. Use pull-out drawers, corner racks, and under-sink organizers to keep everything in order. Even inside cabinet doors, add slim hooks or mini racks for spices and cleaning supplies. These smart storage hacks instantly make your kitchen feel bigger and more functional. 6. Stylish yet functional countertops. In small kitchens, countertops should work overtime. Install extendable cutting boards, pull-out counters, or rolling islands to create extra prep areas. Choose materials like quartz or marble-look laminates for a sleek, easy-to-clean surface that elevates the design. 7. Add personality through decor. A small space doesn't have to be plain. Use patterned backsplashes, bold handles, or accent lighting to add character. Even a small indoor plant or herb section brings life and freshness to your kitchen. Stick to a simple color palette and let textures, not clutter, do the talking. 8. Let there be light. Lighting plays a huge role in how big your kitchen feels. Combine recessed lights, pendant lamps, and under-cabinet strips to layer brightness beautifully. If possible, let natural light in through windows or add a reflective backsplash to amplify brightness. And there you have it, a stylish small kitchen that feels open, modern, and perfectly designed for your lifestyle. Remember, it's not about how much space you have, but how creatively you use it. If you're planning to upgrade your kitchen with smart storage, elegant finishes, or modular cabinetry, visit fixitdubai.ae, your trusted source for modern kitchen interiors and space-saving solutions. Transform your small kitchen into a stylish statement, only with Fixit Dubai.